Welcome to today's quiz. Hope you have fun. Round 1, Biology. Horseshoe crabs have blue blood because their oxygen-carrying protein uses which metal instead of iron? Copper. During deep sleep, your brain flushes out waste using a fluid that some researchers call its dishwasher system. Name it. Cerebrospinal fluid. Which burrowing rodent is famously resistant to cancer and can survive up to 18 minutes without oxygen? Naked mole rat. Because of one radioactive isotope inside them, scientists sometimes measure small doses of radiation in a joking unit named after this fruit. Banana. An octopus has 3 hearts, but one of them stops working entirely during a certain everyday activity. Which one? Swimming. Round 2, Victorian Architecture. A dramatic public safety demonstration by Elisha Otis in 1854 helped make possible a Victorian invention essential to tall buildings and department stores. What was it? The safety elevator. The curved glass ribs of Kew Gardens Palm House were built using techniques borrowed from which industry, known for shaping large, curved iron hulls? Shipbuilding. When Britain repealed its tax on window glass in 1845, it triggered a boom in which airy, glass-walled garden structure attached to Victorian homes. The conservatory. Which London bridge, completed in 1894, hides a modern steel bascule lifting mechanism behind an elaborately Gothic stone exterior? Tower Bridge. During the Second World War, many ornamental Victorian garden railings across Britain were removed for an officially stated wartime purpose. What was it? To be melted down for scrap metal. Round 3, around Asia. The world's tallest mountain is named after a British surveyor general who reportedly never even laid eyes on the peak himself. Name the mountain. Mount Everest. This Sikh temple in India runs a free communal kitchen that serves meals to over 100,000 visitors daily, regardless of religion. Name it. The Golden Temple. This Dubai skyscraper's tapering, spiraling design was inspired by a desert flower called the Hymenocalyx. Name the building. Burj Khalifa. Originally a Hindu temple dedicated to the god Vishnu, this Cambodian complex gradually became a Buddhist site over the centuries. Name it. Angkor Wat. Singapore's futuristic super trees aren't just decorative, they collect rainwater and generate solar power. What is this garden called? Gardens by the Bay. Round 4, vegetarian food and drink. What beloved and divisive British spread is actually a leftover byproduct of beer brewing? Marmites. What thin, silky film that forms on simmering soy milk is peeled off and eaten as a delicacy called yuba? Tofu skin. To make its plant-based burgers appear to bleed, Beyond Meat uses the juice of what vegetable? Beetroot. The inventor of cornflakes ran a health sanitarium and was a devoted vegetarian. Who was he? John Harvey Kellogg. This meat-free protein was discovered from a fungus found in British soil in the 1960s and later turned into a supermarket staple. What is it? Corn. Round 5, Mythology and Folklore. In Japanese folklore, a fox spirit known for shape-shifting and trickery grows an extra one of a certain body part for every century it lives, up to 9. What is it? A tail. Pandora is famous for opening a container that unleashed all evils into the world, but the original Greek word for that container wasn't box. What was it actually? A jar, pithos. Before Hollywood got involved, the leprechaun of Irish folklore was traditionally associated with a completely different colour than the green we picture today. What colour was it? Red. Which Slavic folklore figure lives in a hut famously said to stand on chicken legs? Baba Yaga.
Which Norse goddess is thought to be the namesake of the day we now call Friday?
Thank you for playing. See you next time.